Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install X'Pert HighScore. So let's go toward the video. First, go to the file where you save the setup. So this is the setup of X'Pert HighScore. Click on it. So you see the option Export Install X'Pert HighScore. Click on it, and there is the instruction for the installation. So you simply click on it because it's a very simple process. So now click on the next and give the name and the same organization. Click on the next, complete setup, and now install it. The installation is completed. Now exit it and go to the home screen. I'm going to upload the PDF. I'm going to upload the PDF because in this PDF there's a lot of data, and we will compare our data with this PDF, and as a result we will get Miller indices, crystal structure, etc., etc. What we want, all of the data are available in these files, in these PDFs. So go to the customize program setting and click on the reference pattern, and now click on the browse and go to the file where you save your data. Save this PDF. I think it is in G. Yes, software and research software high score. So this is the first PDF and the second one. Click on it. So you see this, both of the PDF, PDF 1 and PDF 2 are uploaded here. So click on start conversion of PDF to database. Continue. So this process will continue, and it will take a few minutes. uh, so in this game, if you are the new user in my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and this video is useful for you, please like the video and leave a comment if you have any problem or any question related to this video, so I will be here. So you will wait for this, and once it will completed, you will simply click on the OK. And so now you see that this process is complete. So simply click on the OK, and then upload your XRD data and compare it with the PDF. So in the next video, I will show you how to compare your data with this PDF. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.